Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into three key features that can transform how your business handles incoming calls: auto attendance, on groups, and call queues. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, understanding these tools will help you optimize customer interactions and improve efficiency. Let's start with auto attendance, a feature that acts like a virtual receptionist. Imagine you're running a busy office. Every incoming call is instantly answered with a friendly voice that provides clear options, such as press 1 for sales, press 2 for billing, etc. This is what an auto attendant does. Ensures that your customers are always greeted and directed to the right place, even outside of business hours. Auto attendants are particularly beneficial for maintaining a professional image and ensuring that no call goes unanswered, making them ideal for businesses with multiple departments or those needing 24/7 service without constant staff availability. So I've listed some of the key benefits here for. All right. So now let's discuss hunt groups, a powerful tool for distributing incoming calls to a specific group of people, such as your sales team. Think of a hunt group as a method to ensure that calls are answered promptly by routing them to the first available team member. Calls can either ring all phones at once or move sequentially from one person to another until someone answers. Hunt groups are perfect for environments where quick response times are crucial. For example, in a sales team, it's essential that the first available agent takes the call to maximize every opportunity. If a potential client calls, but the first agent is busy, then the call is instantly routed to the next available agent, ensuring no opportunity is missed. All right. And finally, let's talk about call queues, an essential feature for managing high call volumes. When all your agents are busy, call queues place incoming calls in a virtual line or queue. Callers are informed of their position in line and can be assured that they will be connected to the next available agent. So, call queues are crucial in environments like customer service centers, where managing a large number of simultaneous calls is necessary. Unlike hunt groups, which focus on routing to available agents quickly, call queues organize calls based on arrival time, ensuring a fair and orderly process. All right. So, quick recap: auto attendants help you manage calls efficiently and professionally. Hunt groups ensure quick response times by routing calls to the right team. And call queues handle high volumes with ease. By leveraging these features, you can enhance your customer interactions and ensure that every call is handled effectively. Thanks for watching.